This is Leigh Carson, St. Louis family law attorney. Still under a stay-at-home order, so I decided to go outside. And my cat decided to be part of this video. The most common question I get asked is, how soon can my divorce be final? You know, that really varies, and I know you hate that answer. It's between 30 days and 8 months. The way you can make it closer to 30 days, for sure the things that are in your control, is give us the information we need. If we're dividing your house and you say, well, you know, I'm getting the house, why do I need the legal description? Because you do. Don't spend your time fighting with me, just give us what we need. We need the VINs for your car. We need the last 4 digits of your bank accounts. If you have children, we need you to complete the St. Louis County Family Required Education, Parent Education. It's annoying. It takes about 3 hours of your life. You'll never get back. It costs about $50, but you got to do it. There are certain rules. So that's the way you can make it better. The other factors are the other party, the other party's attorney, how cooperative they are, and we have no control over those. A little bit might depend on the judge, but not so much. So cooperate, act like a grown-up, and you'll get your divorce done faster.